Collective nouns. So collective nouns are words used to speak about groups. A group of fish is called school. A group of bees is called swarm. A group of ants is called colony. A group of students is called class. A group of employees is called staff. A group of birds is called flock. A group of sailors is called crew. A group of actors is called casting. A group of players is called team. A group of musicians is called band. A group of singers is called choir. A group of pictures is called gallery. A group of books is called library. A group of lions is called pride.